Okay, so we're going to look at rational expressions, and this is exercises 1 through 10. I'm going to look at the even ones right now. We're looking at restrictions. So if we start with number 2, which has 5 divided by x, our restriction is our denominator can't equal 0. This is nice because there's just x down in the denominator, and so we have to exclude any time x is equal to 0. All right, let's look at number 4 here. 4. We have 6 over y minus 1. So again, the denominator, the downstairs, can't equal 0. So we say y minus 1 can't equal 0, but we want to isolate y. So we add 1 to each side, and we get y cannot equal 1. And for 6, 2x over 3 minus x. The denominator can't equal 0. 3 minus x cannot equal 0. Negative x can't equal negative 3. So x can't equal 3. All right, this processes nicely. Let's look at 8. 3t over t squared minus 9. And here's the first denominator that I'm going to need to factor, and factor completely. So I will factor the downstairs first. Now, notice this is a difference of squares. You look back on your difference of squares, but we have t plus 3 and t minus 3. Now, if I have two numbers multiplied together to equal 0, either of them will be 0. Or what we can say is all of our factors can't equal 0. Right? And I'll put the other one over here. Can't equal 0. So t can equal negative 3, and t can't equal positive 3. And you'll see this written sometimes with our friend the plus minus sign. Right? Plus or minus 3. We write them over top of each other. Plus, minus. And that's just a way of saving space, so we don't have to write the two separate things. And number 10. 2t plus, 2t minus 2 over t squared plus 4. So t squared plus 4 can't equal 0. I can't factor it because it's not a difference of squares. So t squared can't equal negative 4. But squaring means I'm multiplying some number by itself. So if the number's negative, I'll have a negative times a negative. Well, negative times a negative is positive 4. If it's positive, I'll have a positive times a positive, and that's positive 4. So there's no way I can square anything that's a real number and get a negative sign. So there's no restrictions for 10. And this is the game we use to figure out restrictions. We look at the denominator and we say the denominator can't be 0. We're not going to divide by 0.